AI agents are everywhere right now. But I've been wondering one thing. Can AI actually create an entire brand on its own? And I don't just mean a logo. I'm talking about the logo, color palette, typography, posters, brand assets, even realistic storefront mockups. Today we're putting an AI called Lovart to the test to see if it can really do all of that. Hey everyone, I'm Hamza. I test the latest AI tools to see if they're actually worth your time. So if you're into AI, productivity, and creative tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Lovart is an AI agent built specifically for design. You simply describe your idea and it helps turn that into a complete visual identity, from concept to final brand assets. So let's jump in and see how it works. This is Lovart's homepage. Right away you can tell it's built with designers and creative work in mind. I'll click Start Creating, log in, and enter the workspace. On the right is the chat panel where you simply describe what you want. On the left is an infinite canvas where everything the agent creates is automatically organized. For this project, I'm creating a coffee brand. By the way, I use Gemini to help me prepare the prompt. But honestly, Lovart's agent is smart enough that even a simple natural language prompt works really well. Let's give it a try. Instead of generating images immediately, it first researches coffee brands. Then it calls different AI models to generate 4 logo concepts, each with its own design explanation. Let's take a look. These 4 concepts are actually pretty solid. I've already picked my favorite, so instead of asking for more variations, I'll let the agent continue. Another feature I really like is font generator. If you want your own custom brand font, you can simply upload an image or describe the style you're looking for, and Lovart will generate one for you. Then you can save it to My Fonts and add it to your brand kit. From that point on, all of your future designs automatically stay consistent with your brand. Another really useful font feature is mockup. Just drag your logo or artwork onto a photo, and Lovart automatically detects the surface, matches the perspective, lighting, and materials, and blends everything together. So I asked it to generate a storefront that matched my brand. Then I placed one of the posters onto the wall. Satisfied, the result looked even better than I expected. Next, it expands the entire brand identity. It generates the color palette, typography, graphic elements, and a variety of branded applications. It even creates the vacation-inspired coffee cup and matching badge that I asked for. Everything is neatly organized on the infinite canvas, making it easy to review. After using Lovart, what impressed me most wasn't just the image quality, it was the entire workflow. Normally, you'd have to jump between multiple AI tools to build a complete brand. Here, you simply describe what you want. The agent handles the planning, the generation, the revisions, and even keeps everything visually consistent. I'd still love to see it expand into more design workflows in the future. Things like UI design or e-commerce projects would be great additions. But when it comes to brand identity design, Lovart has already left a really strong impression on me. If you've been curious about AI agents, I definitely think Lovart is worth checking out. I've left the link in the description below if you want to try it yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to test next. I'm Hamza, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.